Hello everyone, happy Mother's Day. I really want to say one more time, happy Mother's Day all, because all you deserve it to have celebrate this day. But remember, Uyghur mothers are not able to get message from their children outside of their homeland, were invaded by the Chinese government. Our all communication is cut off by the Chinese government in this modern day. Just one phone call from outside of China will send the Uyghur people to the concentration camps. We have been trying so much from all of your voices, all of your attention for voiceless Uyghurs. But until today, I didn't see any fundraising for Uyghurs, and I didn't see any hashtag for Uyghurs or praying for Uyghurs. Just finger pointing. We are trying. I cried for my people who have been colonized, invaded, and they have been go through so much pain over the century. I cried my people who has been massacred, raped, organ harvested, sterilized, lied about, dehumanized. I cried how Islamophobia is so normal in these days. I cried for all my families, my friends, all my Uyghur peoples. I cried for Uyghur children who have been sent to the orphanage school while parents are sent to the concentration camps. I cried for innocent Uyghur children. They are ostracized, isolated from the society, from their parents. I cried for my people who are compassionate, hardworking, resilient, talented, open-minded, creative, tolerant, wonderful Uyghur people. I am blessed to have them in my life. I cried for my people who are in horrible situation but still trying so hard, still making videos, memes to make world's attention, and staying still strong despite how horrifying their situation is right now. We all remember World War II, what has happened to the Jewish people. And every year we have a lot of lessons, and we haven't been done so much for them. But we all keep silent for the Uyghur peoples right now. Silence is accepting. We need all of our peoples. We need all of human attention for this horrible Holocaust, horrible Uyghur genocide. Please boycott Made in China. Please pray for Uyghurs. Pray for independence of East Turkistan. Pray for Uyghur people. And remember, every single Uyghur mother, they deserve it to celebrate Mother's Day, but they can't. But you can make a change. You can do something. You can take action to stop this genocide. Thank you.